Hey, I'm Josh Ginn with Sea Ray Cincinnati. Check this out. You don't see something like this every day. This is the Sea Ray 280 SLX. It is stunning. It is beautiful. Look at the side of this boat. Horizon gray. You got a black gel stripe down here along the waterline. The side profile of this thing is just captivating. If you see this on the water, you know it's a Sea Ray. Moving back here, we have triple axle heritage trailer. Diamond plated steps right there. And then if you're looking underneath, look, see what this is? That's an automatic submersible swim platform. This boat has it all. All right, we're up here on the boat. Like I was saying, this is probably the nicest boat you're gonna find around. It's got massive storage. You could fit a paddleboard in there. Nice big sun pad to lay out back here. The SLX is Sea Ray's Premium Plus, so this boat's top of the line through and through. But being that it's the 280, it's huge. Look at all the cockpit space. You just keep going and keep going and keep going. Space for your guests to sit. We've got lots of storage. Cooler storage right there. Big deep storage over here. This one is equipped with a refrigerator by Isotherm. So nice stainless refrigerator. Nice end cap here with storage in it. And then you've got RGB lighting throughout this entire boat. One of the other really cool things, check this tower out. Let's see. The whole thing drops right over the top of the cockpit for storage, but also think about if you got stuck in the rain. That'd be really nice to have. Moving forward, dual helm seat over here, companion seat here, and you've got this really nice head compartment, vacuum flush head. And then at the helm here, you've got controls, dual Simrad 12-inch displays, digital throttle and shift, this really nice rounded out stainless steel windshield. And then finally, you've got this nice big bow area. And we're on the SLX, so you know you're gonna have the drop-down armrests, this really nice diamond stitching throughout the entire boat. It's just beautiful. If you want to come down and check out this brand new Sea Ray 280 SLX or any of these other boats that we have in the showroom or outside, spring's right around the corner. Come see me, Josh Ginn. We're Sea Ray Cincinnati. Our number is 513-871-5555.